Well, good morning, guys. Thank you for coming back. I'm on the CFMOTO 800mt, and I'm taking it out. It's a gorgeous day, absolutely fantastic day, and I thought I'll go on some tracks and give you a little bit of a review on the bike with the new Motoz Tractionator adventure tyres. So I got them put on after my last little trip in on some tracks, and found out pretty quickly that need some good tyres to do what I want to do. So sit back, enjoy. I hope you get something out of it, and I'll give you a little bit more of a review maybe once I'm in the tracks. Okay, talk to you soon. Okay, so bit of a mishap here. I've lost my drone. It is somewhere up in these trees, and I do not know which one, but I know it's in this area, and I cannot see it anywhere. So that didn't end well. I was trying to do a bit of tracking. First time I tried to do that on a motorbike, and didn't actually work the plan. So okay, so I might as well finish off this video right here, because a little bit deflated right now. But okay, so how do I find the Tractionators? The Motoz Tractionators are pretty good. I like them. I think I'm on this sort of kind of track. As you can see, it's very rocky, and it's got a lot of loose rock around, and the Tractionators are doing really well. Bike's doing really good as well, handles well. It's quite wet and muddy, as you can see. We've had a fair bit of rain here in Victoria the last few days, but today is a fantastic day for riding. So on that note, yeah, look, I'm still loving the CFMOTO 800mt. I think it's a great bike. Yes, it's not a light bike, but considering what I'm going to be using it for, it's perfect for what I want to do. And these are the sort of tracks that I'm going to be riding on. And so there, a bit of a bummer today. It's a real bit of a bugger that I've actually lost my drone, because it's not cheap. They're not cheap to replace. So anyway, my fault. I should have checked the batteries. I thought they were charged, but obviously not. Went actually into low battery mode, and then it started going back to a home position, which I had left. I was trying to track it down the track here. So on that note, hey, thank you. I hope you liked some of the footage that I took, and not much of a video, to be honest. It was just a bit of a general nick out and have a bit of a run today on these tyres to see how they feel. It's been wet, a little bit sort of rocky, and yeah, it's done pretty good. So until next time, I'll catch you soon. See you later.